And I'll just take a picture of a black area here, and I'll take a picture. And now I could add the new sticker. Again, I have updated my Instagram app, and this is only available for people in the US for the US elections. If you press the sticker icon right here, you should have this option, the register sticker. I'm going to show you how to post it, and I'll show you what happens on the other side. So just like that, the sticker is added. You could add all the other stuff, additional stickers, whatever else you want to decorate your story as soon as it's done uploading. If they press it, this is the option they get. They get this drop down here where they could choose the state where they could register to vote. So it's going to give them the option to register. So I'm in Illinois here. I'm going to select that option. And it's going to take me to the website where I could register to vote. It's going to tell me all the details to vote in Illinois. And then it's going to tell me press this link right here to get started with my registration. A very, very useful sticker if you're looking to register to vote. And it has all the different states here labeled. And you could just jump into each one and it's going to take you to that website. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media and tech videos. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.